buying these We Go Nuts dried apricots for like 6 years now. I get them on the subscription every other month, and it's a 5-pound bag, which is kind of pricey if you buy the whole bag, of course, but if you price them per ounce, it's actually a really good deal. They are just perfect. They're not too dry and they're not too moist. They're tasty, and they're in this bag. Seals them up really pretty good. I actually put them in a container, and there's more than this in there, and so then I put the extra in a quart-sized bag and then just have it as a travel. Let me show you what they look like. All right, so here's what they look like. Nice orange color. You can see they are not too dry and not too wet. If you like them a little bit drier, you can leave them out in a bowl and they'll dry out a little bit more. They're good size. We only had a problem one time, which was the last time I got them. They were a little bit too small, actually a lot too small, and a lot drier. But normally, like I say, I get them every other month. We really love them. We use them for digestion and regularity, and they're great apricots.